many things one by one we will see slowly, and we will try to complete the courses in like 40 or 40 working days. Like 40 working days means that it will go maximum 2 hours, 2 months. But we will try to complete before 2 months. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have any question, then yes, I will take it. I have the one meeting, you know, little bit now after
Okay.
5 minutes.
Mr. Gopinath, if you have any further doubt,
Is there? So many things one by one we will see slowly, and we will try to complete the courses in like 40 or 40 working days. Like 40 working days means that it will go maximum 2 hours, 2 months. But we will try to complete before 2 months. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have any question, then yes, I will take it. I have the one meeting, you know, little bit now after
Okay.
5 minutes.
Mr. Gopinath, if you have any further doubt,
But stock is not with you. You got my point,
Okay.
no? Stock will be not available. If you
Okay.
go to the MMB, you will not see the any stock, but you can use,
Okay.
like you can use directly consumption, like electricity. You can't say that I have the electricity this much stock.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right? So all this comes under the pipeline process. Right?
Okay. Okay.
So electricity,
Actually,
gas,
this is an hidden factor.
huh?
This is a hidden factor, no?
Hidden.
Big, yeah, because that stock is invisible.
Yeah, no, SAP has handled this one, I know. So, but we will going to learn very simple one, simple process. Okay, this is
Okay.
the like that. There, how to do the procurement. Suppose you need, if you go any company implementation, they said that okay, we are purchasing the electricity also, and we want to capture that one in SAP. How to capture that one? Then we okay, we'll show them the pipeline process. So if that suits, then it's okay. If not suit, then we'll manage that one according to them, the changes. And consignment process, you know that what is the consignment process is that we will ask a vendor to give us the product. We keep the product here, but we will not pay him immediately. When we will pay? Once we use
After
that
the
product.
payment. Yeah.
After using our consumption, only we will reliable to pay. And that is the consignment process. And the consignment process, like live example in the showroom, you can see that like TVs generally, Sony TV, Samsung TV, generally they say that one, okay, keep my product, and whenever you sell, you give me the money. And how much you sell in the month, every month, you give me the money. Like okay, so like this. Then there is a subcontracting process. Subcontracting process is what? Once once you okay, 1 minute, huh? It's a little bit urgent. 1 minute, huh? Hello. Yes. Yeah, it's okay. No, no. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Uh-huh. 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 Mhm. Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. The same address. The same address, no? You told me earlier. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Okay. 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 Immediately. Immediately I need to join. Okay. 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 Krishna. Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay. Mhm. Okay. 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 Thank you. Okay. 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 Hello. Yes,
Hello.
Gopi. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will see each and every processes, and we will do the